Saxon!
No, I can't keep down your boys.